It's done.
You don't just pull a camshaft. You've got to tear half the engine apart to even get to it. So first, rocker arms, push rods, all of it has to come out.
Oh no! Oh, give it up! Maybe we'll get some nice roller rockers for it. That'd be sweet. Hijo latte. These things, the lock nuts, I don't like to use air tools on lock nuts. Creates too much heat. Ah, shit, I loaned it to Dale. He gotta wait for 30 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. I fixed everything. No! Really? Fine. Fine! Switch to something a little different. I'm getting sick of this. We're gonna do it the easy way. I'm tired of doing things the hard way. Now bear in mind, folks, I loosened these bolts first. You don't want to do it with them tight. It's not a good idea. And you never want to put it back together with an impact unless you're just having fun. And the engine's junk anyway. Well, we're going to be cleaning a lot of threads on this one, huh? I think the ones that are having a hard time are the ones that are stuck in the water. See why I keep having to grab my thing? This is how old my little blue point is. And I refuse to replace it. Even though I got replacements, when you get used to a tool, you love it. It's gonna be your bait. All the bolts are out, so I'm gonna take them out and put them in the bolt L bucket-o. Yoink! Ew! Well, let me get the other side off and we'll check both sides at the same time. Woo! Oh, almost dropped that one. That was fun. So since I kind of know what's wrong, we're gonna end up replacing the cam too. I already saw enough to tell me it needs a new cam. Nobody knew they were supposed to use Zinco. And I'm probably gonna get yelled at. You're not supposed to. Oh God, is that one not even lifting? Turn the engine over, huh? Get the right side. Oh, that did come up. Okay. Is that the last one? If we end up using this, we're gonna get her a roller cam. Yeah, they're all pretty much about the same. Just pitting. That means it's been wearing into the metal. So this zinc problem. Not using zinc in the oil. I don't know if you can see that on film. A little bit, little dish, not much. These are garbage. Oh, China! It's time to take bets. Do you bet that there's a double roller timing gear in here or not? Let me know in the comments. Hold on a second, just a second. All right, let's see who wins. There it is! Holy crap, I didn't expect that. Yay! Oh, I like the way that tool sounds. There's a double roller. 20,000 miles on it. I have more control over the cam when I pick it up. Anybody know what this lobe is for? Huh? Is that for the fuel pump? Yeah, it sure is. Exactly what it's for. Oh yeah, this thing's worn out. It's done. It's done. You see how... Yes, yeah, this thing's done. This is Jason. You know, that's who I am. We're gonna be signing out. Happy wrench turning, and you have yourself a spectacular day. You're on Mechanical out.